Hey, how is your day going? Maybe things haven't gone exactly as planned. Maybe you just came out of a stressful meeting, or you're staring at a mounting pile of work and you feel that tightness in your chest, that friction. It's that feeling where everything feels harder than it should be. First, take a deep breath with me, in and out. Good. You aren't failing, you're just experiencing a high friction moment. Let's talk about how to hit the reset button right now, in the middle of the chaos, so the rest of your day doesn't have to suffer. When we get stressed, our brain enters a loop. We keep thinking the same stressful thoughts, which produces the same stress hormones. To stop this, we need a pattern interrupt. The most effective way to do this is a physical change of state. If you can, stand up. Walk to a different room. Splash some cold water on your face. This isn't just a break, it's a physiological signal to your nervous system that the threat is over. Try the 3 to 12 1 grounding technique. Look around you, name 3 things you can see, 2 things you can touch, and 1 thing you can hear. This pulls you out of the stressful future in your head and back into the safe present moment. Now that your body is calmer, let's look at the mindset. Often, we feel stressed because we're fighting reality. We think, this shouldn't be happening, but it is happening. The reset happens when we change why is this happening to me, to what is this moment asking of me? Does it need your patience? Does it need you to ask for help? Or does it just need you to lower your expectations for the next hour? Accepting the situation as it is, rather than how it should be, instantly lowers the friction. To get your momentum back, find a micro win. Pick the smallest, easiest task on your list. Something that takes 2 minutes. Clean your glasses, file 1 email, organize your pens. When you complete it, your brain gets a tiny hit of dopamine. It reminds you that you're capable and you're in control. 1 small win leads to the next. Don't let a bad 10 minutes turn into a bad day. You have the power to pivot at any moment. Take it 1 step at a time and remember to take care of yourself.